Here at Atlantis Rail Systems, we offer a variety of customized railing systems. Today we'll be walking through the process of creating the components of a custom SunRail cable railing system. Once a project is ordered, our engineer gets to work with the drawings. The drawings display certain aspects such as the angles where holes are drilled into the post, the distance between each hole, how many posts and rails are needed for the job, and the length of each. Once the drawings are approved, they go to the warehouse where the customization begins. The machinist uses the engineer's drawings to write the information into a program for the machinery in the form of a code that the machine can read. The tubing is picked and off to be cut to length for posts and rails. Information from the drawings is input into the machine, so it knows where to cut and when to pull the tubing through for the next cut. Once the tube is in position, the coolant ensures that there isn't too much heat buildup through friction of cutting through the metal at high speeds. It is pulled aside until the rest of the posts and rails are finished being cut. Next, the protective film is removed, and the ends of each tube are smoothed of any burrs or sharp edges. The posts and rails are put onto a rack. Next, the posts that need holes drilled are shrink-wrapped, so no damage is done to the post. The program that was created before is now loaded into the machine. The machine is very precise and every input is crucial. The posts are placed between the support blocks to secure them in place. The coolant is aimed at the tip of the tool to ensure it doesn't get too hot or break. The program tells the machine which tool to choose and where to start drilling. Once one side is done, the blocks rotate the post 180 degrees to make the same holes on the opposite side. When each side is complete, the machine switches tools to a bigger drill in order to bring the holes up to the size they need to be. This post is different from the mid-posts and has more intricate requirements. This post requires multiple different tools used at various angles to achieve what is needed to complete the job. Some holes are even threaded. Once the posts are removed from the drilling machine, they are brought over to the workbench to have any burrs or sharp edges removed from the drilled holes. The wrapping is then removed, and all the posts and rails are brought over to be washed in the ultrasonic washer. The tubes are put into the basket and into a wash made of soapy water. After a few minutes, the basket is moved to the other side for a final rinse in clean water. Due to this project's proximity to salt water, it was then sent off-site to be electro-polished, a finishing process that makes the posts and rails more corrosion-resistant and easier to maintain. Once the project comes back, it's time to do the final assembly. For this job, tensioners are installed on the post using stainless steel rivets. Bases are attached, and posts have railing connectors installed to accommodate straight, angled, or stair rails. Each post and rail is labeled to correspond with the plans in your project packet. Atlantis Rail can create a number of different railing systems to complement nearly any indoor or outdoor project. Contact our team for a quote today. Thank you for making Atlantis Rail the choice for your view.